If you have a job offer from New Zealand or any country in the world, don't rush. This is the exact process you must follow to apply for the Accredited Employer Work Visa in New Zealand. Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll break down the AEWV, which is Accredited Employer Work Visa process step by step, especially for people applying from outside New Zealand. No hype, just the facts. Number one is get a job offer from an accredited employer. So first, you must just get a written job offer from a New Zealand accredited employer. That job offer must include your job title and your duties, your salary or hourly rate, your work hours, your location, duration of your employment, because without this, you cannot start the visa process. Step two is employer will complete a job check. Your employer will have to complete a job check with Immigration New Zealand. This will confirm that the role is genuine, the pay meets requirements, and also that the job follows New Zealand employment law. You cannot skip this step. Step three is that you need to receive a job token or job check approval, because once that job check is being approved, the employer gives you a job token if you are applying by yourself or a reference number. This allows you to apply for the visa. Sometimes they might have to link you with an immigration advisor, which we call LIA, Licensed Immigration Advisor or Agent. Step four is that you need to prepare your document. So you typically need something like passport, your job offer letter, your job token, your CV, your police clearance or police character. You also need your medical. You also need evidence of qualification or experience. All these are part of what you put in your application. Make sure everything is accurate and consistent. Don't gamble at that level. And step five is that you apply online. You apply online through the Immigration New Zealand, portal. You have to create a real me account first. If you are dealing with New Zealand directly, you need to fill in your details carefully and upload all necessary and required documents. Mistakes here can actually delay or affect your application, so you have to be very careful at this level. You will also have to do, which is step six now, you will have to do a biometrics, and the waiting period will begin from there depending on your country. If you're doing it from Nigeria or some African countries, it might take some time because you have to do your medicals. You have to do, a lot of all those documents will be put together into your application because processing times vary. You just have to be patient about it. One of the key important truths that you must be wary of, or you should be aware of, is that your visa depends on employer compliance. Your visa depends on your background, and your visa depend on your health and character check, which is like police reports, right? So I hope this helps someone. If you want, I can do a common accredited employer work visa rejection reasons and put down all this further information. Kindly subscribe, comment AEWV below if you want me to do more of this. Thank you very much.